Alright, the product I have here is the Brownie Octo Hose Regulator Setup. This is a 50-foot hose. It comes with a first stage that has a pressure gauge, excuse me. Alright, and then also an Amaranto second stage. What's great about this product is that it has a keeper, which is great to hold on to your regulator. All you have to do is get the weight belt, weave it on in, alright, now you put it on, and now what's great about this system is that it's quick release. If you ever encounter any problems, then all you have to do is let go, pull out, and you're free.